In this video, I'll be going over how to create repeating patterns in Canva for free. So first, go to canva.com and then create an account. Hit create a design, custom size, or whichever size you're looking to do. Change this to inches if it's on pixels, and then do 8.5 by 11 inches, or you can do whatever size project you're looking to create. So once this is open, I'm going to go over to the Elements tab and just select a random image. So let's pick this dog. And I'm going to make this dog smaller. So if you're looking to repeat the dog throughout the entire page, here is one way that you can do it. So let's change this. Actually, this is a pro design, so let's change it to a free design. So that way, in case you have the free version, you can follow along. So I'm just going to change this to free. I believe you only have these options in the pro version, but that's okay. You should have this free design in your own account. So I'm going to make this smaller and change the background to something different so we can see a little bit better where our dog is. We'll go with this blue. Okay. So I'm going to put the dog where I want him or her to be. And then I'm going to select the dog, hit Control C, and then Control V to copy and paste. I have a laptop, so I'm not sure if it's different depending on which computer you're on. Or what else you can do is select the dog and then go to the three dots and hit duplicate or Control D. So that's another way that you can do that. And I'm just going to line the dog up where I want them to be and keep repeating this. And you'll see it right now when you get it to the spot where it's the same distance away from the previous dog, you'll see the number, so 0.281. And I'm going to keep doing this until I have enough dogs to fill up the entire page. And then this next thing that you do is optional, but this is something that I personally like to do. So I'm going to highlight and move the dogs over a little bit. I want to still see that dog there, but I want to have room to make one more dog. So now that I have that, I'm going to highlight all of them and group them together. You can hit Control G or hit the group button. So now you have all the dogs linked together. And now all you have to do is hit Control C and Control V, copy, paste, duplicate, however, and move them where you want them to be. So I'm going to move them right here. And I just keep going all the way down the line, however you want them to line up. And you can do this again in the free version or in the paid version. It really depends on which elements you're looking to use or if you're trying to resize or things like that. But this is by using the free version. You can also link two of them together if I went and did this. Sometimes it's hard to get them exactly lined up that way. I'd have to maybe ungroup them. But you could also sometimes link two groups together and now you have one big one. But this is just an easy way you can get repeating patterns in Canva, and you can do this any way you would like to with any of the elements here. So I really hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment them below. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope that you have a great day.